How to fix the unable to execute file, CreateProcess Failed Code 2 error when launching or installing a game. This error may appear with files like Forza Horizon 6.exe or quicksfv.exe. First, open Windows Security. Click on Firewall and Network Protection, then select Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings, then select Allow another app. Click Browse and open your game installation folder. Select the main game exe file and click Open, then click Add. Make sure both private and public networks are checked. If you are getting the error with quicksfv.exe, open the MD5 folder inside your game directory, select quicksfv.exe, and add it to the firewall in the same way. Now go back to your game folder. Right-click the game's exe file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. If the error happens with an installer or another exe file, repeat the same steps for that file. Add it to the firewall and run it as administrator. Now launch the game or installer again. The unable to execute file, CreateProcess Failed Code 2 error should be fixed. That's it for this video. If this method helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thank you for watching.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on to be